Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the second step of the PMB registration workflow, which involves the submission of documents to the medical aid. The process of submitting PMB registration documents to the medical aid involves registering a patient for special benefits, which they are entitled to due to a specific chronic condition or as a result of a specific procedure. This proactive approach not only enhances the client care, but also contributes to the elevated level of the overall patient satisfaction. Each medical aid has its own requirements as to what documents are needed for the registration of the PMB benefits. Please ensure that all documents are ready to be attached to the email in PDF format. In this video, we will start on the clinical screen. Please note that as part of submitting the documentation to the medical aid aid's respective PMB registration documents will need to be set up within the GoodX PDF Printover Setup. To learn more about this, please refer to the PDF Printover Setup user manual linked in this video's description. Let's proceed and click on the Forms Library drop-down and select the PDF Printover form. The PDF Printover form will open. Now, click on the PDF Printover drop-down menu and select the PMB registration form which was set up previously. With the PMB form now generated, you are ready to email all the needed documentation off to the medical aid. Click on the Email button. The Email Workflow event screen will open with the form attached. Click on the Email Workflow Event drop-down menu and select and open the Workflow Event template that was created specifically for the PMB registration. Please note that the email templates will need to be set up first before they can be used. For more information regarding how to set up an email, please refer to the Workflow Event Template Setup email user manual linked in this video's description. The selected email template will now populate. You may now add extra supporting documents needed as attachments on the email. As soon as you're satisfied, click on the Send button. Upon successfully sending the email to the designated medical aid of the patient, an entry will be recorded on the notebook for all admin emails and patient file for all clinical information.